Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to the Frizzle gaming channel. This this game of Conquerors is fully pressed on. Okay. First question. You'll be able to see the future, but you will really change it. Well, the future is kind of cool actually. You can go in the future. I want to see the future. You can't change back time. I want to do that. Yeah, 67 agree with me. Second question. You can travel anywhere in time and space, including other worlds from a book or movies, but you can only spend an unknown account of time in each place. You can be taken out of any moment without a chance to say goodbye. Once that happens, you can never return. Oh no! What's the point? I'm just gonna say goodbye to my family, and that's so stupid. Oh, we're not. Oh, not. I had it wrong. Got it. Okay, what rather? You can read minds, but you will go blind. I will not actually. Yeah. Thank you. The last question for today. You can become king of any country you're shooting, but within 30 years you've been posted and been revolutionaries, and there's 80% that will execute you. What's the point now? I've never been president in Norway. King of Norway. So, oh, I'm the king of the world. Ooh. This game ruined the person. Anyway, guys. I end this video here, so if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up and so subscribe to go to the video. Give me a video. Bye. Thanks so much.